Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. This is Sir Ayaz. I will continue my lesson for the topic separation and purification. The learning outcomes for this lesson would be describe a residue as a substance that remains after evaporation, distillation, filtration, or any other similar process. Filtrate as a liquid or solution that has passed through a filter. Or here's the summary of the last lesson. Solvent as a substance that dissolves a solute. Solute as a substance that is dissolved in a solvent. Solution as a mixture of one or more solutes dissolved in a solvent. Saturated solution as a solution containing the maximum concentration of a solute dissolved in the solvent at a specified temperature. Unsaturated solution as a solution containing the minimum concentration of a solute dissolved in the solvent at a specified temperature. Let's continue. Let's start with the definition of residue. What is a residue? Residue can be defined as a substance or insoluble solid that remains after evaporation, distillation, filtration, or any similar process. It is a substance or insoluble solid that remains after evaporation, distillation, filtration, or any similar process. During evaporation, filtrate is heated or boiled in evaporating dish to get the crystals of the residue. This is the evaporating dish. Evaporating dish. Now it contains a residue. In this you have residue. You have evaporated the solvent through heating. Now during distillation, solution is heated to remove liquid to get the residue. Let me draw the condenser. During distillation, we have condenser. This is a condenser. Here you are having water inlet, water outlet. Water inlet, water outlet. This is condenser. Let me write condenser. And during filtration, insoluble solid is left as residue on the filter paper. Here's a diagram of filter funnel. Filter paper is placed on this filter funnel. Filter funnel. You see, in all these, residue will be left after carrying out these processes. Let's talk about filtrate. During filtration, the liquid or solution that passes through a filter paper or filter funnel is called filtrate. During filtration, the liquid or solution that passes through a filter paper or filter funnel. It would be more appropriate if you say solution rather than saying liquid. It's not liquid, it's a solution. So we have filter funnel. This is a filter funnel, and just here we are having filtrate. Let me draw the whole setup again for your convenience. This is a filter funnel. It's a conical flask used to collect filtrate. Let me label each and everything. Filter funnel, conical flask, filtrate. This is filter funnel, conical flask, and this one is filtrate. In summary, residue is a substance that remains after evaporation, distillation, filtration, or any similar process. Filtration is used to separate insoluble solid residue from a solution. Filtrate is a liquid or solution that has passed through a filter. I have already discussed it's appropriate not to say this as a liquid. We'll say this as solution. Thanks for watching. Press like, give comments, and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.